sunlight hurts my eyes, and something without wanting love bears heavy on my mind. Then I look at you, just one look at you, and I know it's gonna be a lovely day.